heart of innovation and sustainability. Welcome to Kshetra Exports, where each thread tells a story of craftsmanship, quality, and a commitment to a greener future. Established in 2002, Shetra Exports has evolved into a beacon of excellence, weaving a legacy that transcends time. We believe in strength through collaboration. Our enduring partnerships for spinning and dyeing ensure perfection in every garment. At the core of our craftsmanship lies the artistry of knitting. Our machines breathe life into carefully sourced yarns, producing 80 tons of exquisite fabric. Our 300-machine-strong facility seamlessly integrates laying with auto spreaders, CAD, and cutting processes, unveiling the meticulous art behind each creation. Each stitch is a testament to our commitment to perfection. Our skilled workforce meticulously sews, creating garments that stand the test of time. With the production capacity of 1.5 million garments annually. Our printing unit becomes a canvas of expression with a capacity of 1 lakh pieces per month. From rigorous checks to attaching barcodes, ironing, and precise packing, every detail matters with a total production capacity of 100,000 garments monthly. Our commitment to excellence goes beyond the expected. Our craft extends to a diverse range, from adorable babies wear to sophisticated selections for boys, girls, men's, women's, and the cherished maternity collections. Shipping is not just a process, it's a promise of timeliness and security. We prioritize sustainability with precise water treatment and reverse osmosis, harnessing the power of solar panels by generating 100 kilowatts of power and cultivating a lush green oasis within our campus. Our fiscal growth rate surged, escalating from $4 million in 2019 to $6 million in 2024. Our goal is to achieve $20 million in revenue by 2030. These endeavors are not merely practices, they are a testament to our unwavering dedication to weaving an eco-friendly narrative into every aspect of our operation. We proudly hold certifications such as Global Organic Textile Standards, Global Recycle Standards, ISO, and more. These accolades underscore our unwavering commitment to quality and ethical practices. Step into our world. The showroom showcases a diverse array of offerings, while the administration office symbolizes our commitment to professionalism. Trusted by esteemed buyers and industry leaders, Shetra Exports sets the standard for quality and sustainability in the textile industry. Join hands with Kshetra Exports, where craftsmanship meets sustainability. Elevate your brand with the mark of true excellence.